All right, hey guys, I'm Tim.
I'm Courtney, this is Finley, and we're a family of 3 traveling full-time in our RV.
So in our last video, I broke the skylight in the living room, and today we're gonna fix it and then barbecue a little bit because I am hungry.
Same. Starving.
All right, so let's head out and go to the RV. It's still broke. Whole issue. There's a big issue. Check out what I got in parts. New cover replacement. And a cover for the cover. Let's install it.
I don't think climbing this ladder is very safe. I don't think climbing this ladder multiple times to get a good YouTube video is very safe either. I should have YouTubed how to do this before I'm trying it. Quite sure how to get this off. I should just get rid of this completely. Get one of those max air units. I'll get one of those units when this fails completely. They have little locks on the very edge. You have to bend out. You have to bend them. Bend them out. Oh, something on the roof just fell. I have to resort to YouTube because this little clip, I don't know how to get it on there. I have no idea how to do it. No clue. I have to drill holes for this, but it doesn't really say where. It just says do it near the edges. Near the edges. What does that even mean? I'm just setting this next to here, and then I'm gonna drill according to that. It's the only thing I could think of. It's pretty windy up here. Really windy. There was no measurements in any of this install. It's kind of just eye it. Pretty much just drill a hole. Hope that you got it in the right spot. Project complete! Whoop whoop!
That was some good barbecue.
Heck yeah, that was a full day. Now it's time to relax. We'll see you guys later.
Finley waved. Little Finley, you're little Finley, 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 Finley.